How to add shadow to text. Well, this is actually really quite simple, and to be honest, since I'm making videos for all my channels pretty much every day, I do this actually almost every day, so this is just easy. Now, usually I use Sony Vegas to import my text because I like the way it looks, but you can do everything in GIMP, so that's what we're going to show you. So you come over here to your text generator, and you're going to select your font, whatever you want it to be. Going to select your color, what do you want that to be, and your size. Let's see. Sure, let's do it. Whoa, this is cool. Sure, why not? Okay, now let's click out of that. Now I can drag this around and we can start working with it. And to add a shadow, it's really so simple. What I do is come to the layer below it, right click, new layer. Okay. Now select this layer where you have your text, go layer, transparency, alpha to selection. Now click your pencil tool and make sure you select black. Now come to the layer below it and just paint it. I just painted right over it. New, select, none. And here you can see it has a shadow. Now you can move it around to wherever you want. If you like it right there, it looks good, fine. And now you can either leave it as really dark, or what I like to do is select that layer where the shadow is and make it so it's slightly transparent. So move it down to like maybe 60. That's a really good spot. But I'm really, anywhere between 50 and 80 is good. We'll just choose 60. Once you got it there, then to attach it so it moves along with it, right click on the text layer and go merge down. And now the shadow will move around along with your text. Isn't that cool? This is cool, just like it says. Well anyways, that's how you do it, and that's how you add the shadow to text in GIMP.